Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. My name, of course, is Potato. Welcome back to Captain of Industry. That's right. It's raining at the moment. That's pretty miserable. I don't like that. We're in a pretty good place, though. All things considered, we're not in a bad place at all. We recently got this area upgraded, so we should be able to, theoretically, pump out a tremendous amount of additional fuel. We'll probably see over the course of this episode if that is indeed the case. There's a couple of, I guess, little automations that we want to get done over the course of this episode. Stuff like setting up a delivery route between, like, here, you know, the diesel output over here, and then also, like, the tank, you know, sort of stuff like that. Stuff like that is kind of what we need to do. There we go. We'll unpause that there. Big old boat coming in with over almost a thousand units of crude oil. That's pretty decent. That is pretty darn decent. Anyway, that's not the main focus of this episode. The main focus of this episode, I hope, is going to be steel. Now, whether we're going to be able to pull off steel or not is another question. First of all, it's saying that we don't have enough maintenance. Is that really the case? Also, look at this. Mechanical parts plus electronics gives us maintenance plus recyclables. Is there any reason why I shouldn't do this? Let's give this a punt. We're missing a lot of iron, actually. We could really do with getting this upgraded. We could really do with getting this upgraded. Yeah, this is a little less than ideal. Yeah, I mean, we do need a lot of iron. We do need a lot of iron under the best of circumstances. But anyway, let's see if this works. We'll just run it in 3 times speed. Let's have a look. This is interesting. I have no idea what we're going to be able to do with these recyclables. I also don't know where the output actually is. Anyway. 5 recyclables. Yeah. Is it the other side? I guess it's the other side, right? I presume it's a belt? No, maybe U-shaped conveyor. It's a U-shaped conveyor. Okay. Let's turn on the other recipe, and then we'll see what we can actually do in terms of recycling, because that's going to be pretty interesting. We need to max out. We need to max out the iron storage here. I mean, we need to try and get level 2 belts. Can we get level 2 belts? If we get level 2 belts, that basically fixes our problems. We also just need to, in general, work on steel. Let's go into planning mode and let's think about steel. So we're going to need, for sure, like another iron area, or probably another, like, 2 iron areas in the future. I'm going to confidently say that we can zone that. And what, like that? Yeah, so we zone that and that for additional iron processing. I don't know if we're ever really necessarily going to need it, or if we really want to sort of get to that level. But let's see if we can try and think about steel over here. So that's good. That's good. So that's what we need. That's going to allow us to get iron, right? Let's have a little look-see. And then we need to get the... Hold on. It needs to be molten iron. So we actually can just cut this entire process out. There we go. Okay. Right. Good. Then we get an oxygen furnace. And so that gives us, what? 24 molten iron. So it's literally a 1-to-1 ratio. It's literally a 1-to-1 ratio, which I am absolutely fine with. That's good, in fact. Over there, nice. Get a molten channel here. I mean, there's no real reason for me to be in pause mode, or even in 1-time speed. What's the issue here? Oh, that's a huge issue. That's a massive issue. Keep mining down. we go. Mining designations are outside. It's fine. Right. Get back to work. Did we maybe run out of coal there? I hope not, but keep mining. Keep mining. Keep mining. Okay, good. Good. Back to here. Also, we should get exploring again. And if we can't go exploring, then we should go fighting. Not enough fuel. Yeah, okay, well, we can go here, and then we'll go... Yeah, go battle there, and then go fight. Right, so... That's going to give us the oxygen furnace. We need to get the air separator. That's going to give us 36 oxygen. That's actually perfect. So we'll put this in here. Did I get the other molten channel set up? No, I did not. Want it to come over the top here. Up there. And we'll get a smokestack, and a nitrogen stack as well there. Okay, good. Then that gets us molten steel. Then we need to get molten steel turned into a cooled caster. That's right. So it outputs 12. 24 molten iron becomes 12 molten steel. I hate that ratio. So disappointing. So disappointing. Right, line it up. Line it up. Perfect. Make sure it's channel like so. Channel like so. And then we're going to need to find some way to get water. I mean, we already just don't have enough water here anyway. Can we maybe get another... this is good, actually. I wonder if we maybe just get ourselves another one of these. See if we can just duplicate this entire setup. I mean, I would be shocked if we were able to actually make it work. Oh. Well, that's great news. That's really, really good, in fact. We don't have anywhere near enough components to actually build this, but when we do, it'll be great. What do we actually need? It's water. Wow, we need a lot of water. Okay, let's build one of those. Then let's build another one of these. Build it over here. Yeah. Build that over there. And then we'll just sort of duplicate this. And so then this setup here is going to work on the water for this area. And in fact, let's cut this back. Make it a tiny bit closer. There we go. It's quite a nice little process, this. Okay, goods. Copy. Paste. And paste. Good stuff. So then this area, in fact, I actually think I want to build this first, you know? Right, we're in battle. That's fine. Right, coal. Keep full. Yeah, I want to build this area first, because I'd quite like to get my concrete production back up and running again. Okay, good. And then we can actually just use the existing brine pump over here. Or the existing waste pipe for the brine. Right, it's a bit difficult to see actually what the heck is going on, but that's fine. Let's unpause all of this and see if we're able to build. Nice. Nice, nice, nice indeed. Very, very nice. Okay, so now we just let this sort of happen, which is a good thing. We let this happen, and then we hope that that's going to increase level 2 construction components. I need to check the ship in battle status. Okay, that was fine. What did we get? 20 pops, few rubber. Ship's too damaged. Kind of thought that would be the case. Not much we can really do about that. Kind of is what it is. It's fine. How are we doing for coal? Not great. Smokestack has no recipe selected. Oh, it will, though. It's fine. Not worried about that. Yeah, we're going to need a lot of level 2 construction components, and we might actually just have enough to build this area, but we definitely won't have enough to build these areas over here. Anyway, so this cooled caster, yep, we can work on this in just a sec. We can also do the pipes over here. Also not entirely sure if the pipes for the salt water will be enough. We can certainly give it a punt. There we go. And again, just sticking with the level 1 pipes. Doesn't seem like there's much point in going too crazy. We've got plenty of level 1 construction components, so it might even be worth us just like starting work on most of this area over here. Also, I'm probably going to run out of power pretty soon. If we don't run into power issues, we're definitely going to run into coal issues. Hence why we need to get the big excavator up and running. That would be really, really good. That would be really, really, really good, in fact. Okay, keep it coming. Oh. Need to be recovered. I can recover you both. That's fine. There we go. That was just a bit of a weird one by the looks of it. Okay, not enough housing. Settlement is overcrowded. Really? That's a bit of a shame, because I was not really anticipating building any additional housing. But I will have to build some additional level 1 housing by the looks of it. Sure, we'll make it a tiny bit longer. Go. There we go. See what happens there. Nice. Let's also get this boat repaired. 119 bits of iron. Everyone is very, very busy. I know. I get it. It's fine, though. It's fine. It'll be worth it. It will be worth it. Okay. We're on the go. Whoa, hold on. Smokestack is no recipe selected. Why is this an issue? Okay, there we go. Let's get the smoke belching. And that should give us at least part of the answer. Right, we're still going to need to connect up this pipe. Still going to need to connect up this pipe over here. Let's run it parallel. Oof. How on earth am I going to get it? Actually, just run it over here. There we go. That's fine. That's totally fine. Quick deliver that. And that's going to give us an immediate boost. An immediate boost. Okay, now we're good to go. The brine, unfortunately, we have too much brine. Yeah, we're a bit brined out here, unfortunately. Right, well, can we upgrade that? It really needs to be a separate pump, doesn't it? Yeah, see, I'm not sure we're actually going to be able to fit this in here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's an issue. That's the issue. The brine is really the problem. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Unpause that. There we go. That's at least going to give us a lot more concrete to play around with. Like, I think that's going to make a really, really, really large difference. There we go. Brine. Okay, that's fine. I think we're going to need more power very, very shortly, I will say. Conveyor belts 2, we're done. Excellent. Water recovery, copper refinement. Let's get better copper refinement using using acid. Right. Conveyor belts level 2. Now, this belt is begging for an upgrade, but unfortunately, we don't have construction component level 3s yet. The good news, however, is that we're pretty much ready to start construction of all of this stuff over here, which is exactly what we're going to do. Get that cooled caster. Also, I think we're ready to start this area here too. So we'll get that done as well. Vehicle is broken as it lacks maintenance. I knew that we were low on maintenance. I didn't know that there was a huge issue. Okay, toggle truck import. Keep full. Priority 1. There we go. Keep full. Truck import. Priority 1 as well. Right, that's a bit of a shame. That's a bit of a shame. Also, we are full of recyclables. That's the issue. That's the real issue. Hold on. What was the recycling thing actually used for? Assembly manual. Hold on. Recycler. Waste sorting plant. Oh yeah, this is what it was. This is what it was used for. Okay. Let's build some loose storage bins just here. That was stupid, wasn't it? Right. That is entirely my bad. But this is good, though. I think this is going to allow us to make a tremendous amount of extra bonus resources. That can be unpaused, too. I am going to quick build this. Quick builds. Oh, these are level 2 construction components. Oh, I forgot about that. Well, it's okay. We're working on them. We're working on them. We're working on them. We're getting them built right now, as we speak. Right. Prioritize like all of this stuff. There we go. I'll quick deliver that, and I'll quick deliver that. Right. Where can you not get to? There we go. Okay. The problem has hopefully been fixed, or will shortly be fixed. There we go. Quick deliver, quick deliver. Nice. Okay. There's not that much recycling. It's not that much recycling that we actually need to get built, but we'll get it built soon. Okay, copper refinement we're working on. That's great. Unity, we've got tons and tons and tons of Unity. Plenty of Unity, in fact. Is the boat repaired? Yes, it is. Let's go explore down here. Okay. And then hopefully that should bring our maintenance back up to a reasonably decent place. Boost that, boost that. Boost all of these for now. And we'll get that repaired as well. Just on a temporary basis. Good stuff. I just can't be bothered dealing with this this nonsense anymore. Right, liquid dump. You need to dump brine. Smokestack is no recipe selected. Why is this happening all of a sudden? There we go. And the basic distiller is doing what it should be doing. Keep full, priority 9. Yep, that's fine. Okay. That's all good. How are we doing for water? Not bad. We're not doing bad at all for water. This is very, very good. Look at all of this concrete. Look at all of this concrete. That is wonderful. That is very, very good. This is a thick, full belt of concrete. Wood may end up being the big problem here, because it takes such a bleeding long time to move it around. Also, let's just ditch this. No real point in keeping it. This is a redundancy anyway. And in fact, if we really wanted to, you know, if we really wanted to dupe this, we could dupe it in a better location. Oh, we're in a battle. Fine, whatever. That's fine with me. Okay, and we can actually de-unity boost all of this stuff now, because we're back up to 73 maintenance. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, there is a lot of stuff to be doing. A coal mine. Well, hey, look at that. That's going to be useful. Ship is too damaged to do anything else. That's fine. We have 7 workers needed. How do we need 7 workers? Don't know about that. There's probably 3 research labs, 3 edicts. Yeah, we're doing fine for Unity. Yeah, very, very strange. Of course, we're bringing online a whole bunch of other stuff. Yeah, I mean, we can do some adoptions. Not from there. There we go. And from here. I suppose, yeah, a couple of these buildings have finished up as well. Okay, good. Unpause all those. Yeah, we're still low on the OG construction components, but... Or the level 2 construction components, not the OG construction components. What am I talking about? There we go. 4 workers needed. Yeah, we got a little bit of cholera. Don't know why that's the case, because we have a pretty firm water supply. Oh, I tell you what, we don't have a firm waste supply. And that's because we're sharing the brine and the... Yeah, we're sharing the brine and the wastewater pipe. Here we go. Remove this. Right. Quick remove this. And then I'm going to do something really, really ugly with this pipe. Bring this all the way around here. And out there. That pipe can be upgraded to level 2 if we need to, but it doesn't need to be at the moment. It's fine. Copper refinement is done. Nice. Right. Is that going to sort out my wastewater situation? It should, right? Yeah. Okay, so hopefully cholera is... Supply of clean water. We have a supply of clean water. We got plenty of clean water coming through. Hopefully, we'll be fine. 65 workers needed? I mean, that's a lot of heckin' workers. We've just adopted everyone that we could possibly need. Can I boost the growth rate a little? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. We don't need to reduce any of the growth rate or anything like that. That's fine. Yeah, just give me a massive growth rate. That would be really, really handy. Yeah, electricity, water. Yeah, we don't have any other services. Oh, we got waste collection. Yeah, we got waste collection, which we could do. That's true. Waste collection, recyclables collection, biomass collection. We already got waste collection. We're waste collecting at the moment. Food market, we've already got that. Yeah, so I really just need to get recyclables and biomass, don't I? Also, I think, yeah, we've got a real shortage of construction components. The other issue is that our tree cutters... Let's get a few more tree cutters. The distance they have to cover is quite large. Yeah. Right, let's keep up the research. Let's go tree harvester level 2, I guess. Why not? We'll do chemical and plant fertilizer. We'll do soybean. And then we'll go research lab. I have absolutely no idea what we're going to have to do in order to get that, but... Ship is too damaged. Oh, did I not repair it? There we go. Okay, 36 workers are still required. We're getting there. This is no big deal. We don't necessarily need all of these distillers to work at the same time. It's fine. We probably only need a couple of them to work. Because we've also got the rainwater harvester. And that's going to do... That's going to do a fair a fair amount of good for us as well. But as long as we're able to keep this up, then we're going to get more construction components, and that's going to allow us to work on this area, which is good. It's happening. Slowly but surely, we're getting all the stuff that we need to get in place, in order. There we go. Coal, keep full. Iron ore, keep full. Ah. This is an issue. Right. Didn't really figure this into the equation. Yeah, we got a lot of recycling waste output at the moment. Yeah, that is a real issue. Yeah, not quite sure what's going to happen there. Ship was fully repaired. Let's get this, get the ship off. Not enough fuel, not enough fuel. Okay, I guess we'll get you to go over there. And then we'll see. The fact that we got a coal mine so close is quite nice. It's very nice, in fact. Right. Okay, good. Like 1 or 2 more buildings. And we are building quite fast, as I say, so no real worries on any of the building fronts. We're building at a totally acceptable speed. This is good. We are burning a lot of coal, but I think we might just be producing enough coal. Certainly, I think we're producing almost enough coal for our requirements at the moment, but I have a funny feeling that that will not be the case for long, and we're gonna need to upgrade our coal operation, which is, I guess, the whole point of getting getting steel, so is that we can get the big, the bad, and the ugly excavators. There we go. Quick deliver. I'll help this thing along, sure. We want to start this process. We want to start this process to make steel basically as soon as we possibly can. Ugh, ships. Another battle. Another flippin' battle. Right. Come down here. Over there, yep, and unpause. I realize I'm building quite a lot of stuff at the moment, but it's important. Okay. We're back in massive positive unity territory. There's a way to say that's because this thing has run out of power. Pickup cannot reach destination. That's because you're stuck. That's fine. Location explored. What do we got? Corn seeds. Well, hey, that's great news. Right, not enough fuel, but the ship's not damaged enough, thankfully. So we're still okay. Okay. Let's see if we can try and get another one of these. Because we will be running up against our cap very, very shortly. There we go. Unpause. And we just let this all get built. Level 1 pipe should be fine here. There we go. I said at the start, I said we'll almost be running out of power. Missing input. Are we missing water? Yeah, we are missing water. That's the problem. Oh, no. I see what the issue is. Ah. The connectors really should always just auto-build. Yeah. Sorry, my bad. Let's, yeah, let's Unity boost that so that we can get our water back. Yeah, no real excuse to not getting water. So it was only the rainwater harvesters that were actually feeding these tanks right here, but it should always have that redundant backup of the groundwater pump. I should probably have like a prioritization system in place, but yeah, it's fine. Right, and let's get this mined. Sure. This area edited. Sure. Okay, good. That should spin back up to, well, close to the max. And we'll be in a pretty good place pretty shortly. We've spent quite a lot of resources recently getting... There we go, we can stop Unity boosting that. He said, stop Unity boosting. Thank you. Yeah, we spent quite a lot of resources getting everything sort of built out, but everything that we're building is pretty darn critical. Can't explore over there, can't explore over here. Let's go and explore. Copper refinement, yeah, I mean, I really don't care about copper refinement. It's just not a priority for me at the moment. These recyclables, very, very cool, very, very important. We're missing molten iron as an input. We seriously don't have enough iron? Sure, assign more trucks. I mean, that's going to put an inordinate amount of strain on the rest of the trucks to do the building. But I don't think we've got any way around it. This is all looking good. This is all looking good. My assembly area is fine. It's very fine. In fact, it's all good. Right. Should we maybe priority 9? Should we make this priority 8? I feel like that's a really cheeky thing to do, but I'm gonna do it nonetheless. Location explored. A sawmill. Well, hey, that's great. That's great news, actually. It's very, very good. No more cargo ships, unfortunately. So we've got 2 cargo ships and can't really do anything. Can't really do anything about that. Good news is, though, we're now going to start work officially on steel, which is great. So that's going to get us steel. And then how on earth do we make the steel construction components? Construction part, level 2. And steel makes construction parts level 3. I mean... Okay, we have got not very much space. I mean, maybe over here, this area is kind of... would kind of be a good place for construction component level 3s. We're going to do a very, very similar sort of thing as to what we did last time, where we have a flat conveyor connecting over there. We don't necessarily have to build this right now. Settlement is full of trash. Ah, well, that's kind of what happened. That's kind of what happens when you let me build it. The problem is we just got too many trucks, or too few trucks involved in not the right processes. We got a lot of trucks that are devoted to moving iron at the moment, and that's, you know, to be understandable. That's understandable, to be honest, because we got a real desire to pump up our steel production, at least for now, just to sort of get that out the way. Infection, settlement full of waste. Yeah, I mean, I don't even know how we fix that. I'm not sure how we fix that, to be honest. We can unassign some iron trucks from here. I don't think there's any other truck that isn't doing anything, though, right? Not enough workers? Yeah, I mean, we can't even assign trucks to here. There we go. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, maybe if I was to quick build some of these. Don't even have the components for all this. But if I quick build some of these things, Then at least that will take some of the strain off, some of the strain off the truck systems. Tell you what. Oh, I tell you what. Let's build this over here. There we go. So if we build this right here, then that's going to allow us to... Oh my goodness, it was instantly filled up. Okay, but that's going to fix things. 108 workers needed. Holy cow. That's rather a lot. This is why we need a waste sorting plant or whatever it is. We can actually burn it. Can't we? Yeah, we can burn waste. I'm not actually against that. Holy cow. We need a lot of workers. Yeah, that's a lot of workers. Waste in settlements is high. Okay, but we're getting on top of it. That's fine. I'm just gonna say that's okay. Let's adopt the population. Holy cow, we're now out of unity. Right, let's turn off our edicts. What edicts have we got on? Population growth. Water saver. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna adopt when I can. I'm gonna adopt people when I can. I mean, I don't know where our workers have gone missing. It'd be nice if it wasn't like useful stuff, but we got a little bit of population growth. And to be honest, if I send out my ship again, there we go. We can definitely do like another couple of exploration runs. Right, so waste processing can definitely happen down here. Boiler coal is no recipe selected. There's only one recipe that I'm really interested in that doing. Okay, why are we not building... Why are we not building this quicker? Concrete slabs? We really should be building... Oh, is it iron? It's iron, yeah. We're prioritizing the... Oh, yeah, I forgot we were... Yeah, we started prioritizing steel production, didn't we? Okay. Anyway, there's a couple of things that we need to get for... What is it? Construction components... No, hold on. Yeah, this. We need this. Steel and glass. So we need to make construction parts level 3 in the first instance. I mean, this is just going to be messy. This is just going to be messy. Right, let's go into planning mode because I really would like to not build this right now. Okay. It's too far, actually. What am I doing? I need a storage unit here. There we go. What I'm hoping to do is basically to move... Move all of these components further up here. Location explored. What do we get? An oil rig. I need people. Ship's too damaged. Of course it is. I need people. People, please. That's what I need. Let's do some adoptions. That fixed a bit of the problem. Alright, iron is back on the menu, which is great. Yeah, I mean, how do we get more iron? Is it literally just building a bigger excavator? Is that it? I think it might be. Also, we need to get glass. I mean, how on earth do we get glass? Sour water stripper. We haven't really got any use for that yet, do we? Fertilizer, chemical fertilizer. I mean, again, we can't do anything with that until we get the construction component level 3s. Yeah, glass. How do we get glass? I must have got glass. There is a glass maker, isn't there? I am sure we've got the glass maker, or we have seen the glass maker before in previous playthroughs. Do I just not have it? Because that means that I cannot make level... That means that I can't make level 2 vehicles, if that's the case. Seriously? Glass making, it's there. Okay, screw soybeans. Salt production, glass making. There we go. Research lab level 3 or better. What do I need for this? Lab equipment plus liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is made by putting nitrogen and steel into a chemical plant. Oh my lordy Gideon, this is getting complicated. Okay, get the ship prepared. On the double, please. Okay, so we can't make level 2 vehicles, but we can make level 2 construction components, and that's what we're going to do. Absolutely. Okay, so get that done. Get that done. Nice. Okay, so that's the level 2 construction components. Now we just need to worry about steel. And steel, we just need... I mean, we just need way more workers in order to make that all work. Is there a way that we can get a better steel ratio? Ship bridge as well, that's an important bit of tech. Advanced smelting, I mean that's... Let's get that added to the queue before we do anything else. I really need more, I really just need more iron. More iron from the ground would be tremendously helpful. What about more vehicles? Can we get more vehicles? Truck overloading edict? No. Don't really care about that. Mega vehicles. Goodness gracious me. That was vehicle management there, actually. I just saw it. Here we go. Increase vehicle limit by 20. There's nothing in this sort of section that will allow us to do that. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Not a concern. Not worried. Not worried at all. Yeah. Also, I really want to rebuild. I really want to build like another iron area. Like I really do. But I know it would be entirely useless. Right, here's a wild, wacky plan. What if I was to get... What if I was to get a loose storage bin? Like here. And then just build like a U-shaped conveyor. Maybe a level 1. But ideally a level 2. Something like that. How much would that realistically take? 115 components? Would just allow me to, you know, automate the drive and maybe save on a couple of trucks. I mean, it is going to take a long time, though. So, I mean, who actually knows? Let's also adopt some people. Go, not enough unity to adopt there. That's fine. Did I repair this ship? I did indeed. Let's go exploring. Come on, give me some people, please. People, 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 please. How are we doing for diesel, though? Missing input. We're missing medium oil. We are still not good for diesel. Wow, we need more. We need more diesel than we currently have. It's kind of bonkers. This oil rig is not doing... It's not doing enough. It actually needs to straight up just get bumped up. Yeah, we need to get an additional... We need to get an additional crew out to the oil rig. Holy cow, that's crazy. Right, tree harvester. Maybe the tree harvester is an easy vehicle to build. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. That's miserable. That is miserable. Truly, that's miserable. Right, what am I currently working on? Nothing really of importance. There's this area, but I mean... I feel like this is maybe like not a super terrible idea. But... it also just sort of... It strikes me as wrong. Strikes me as wrong, you know? Because we certainly just don't have enough iron. We really, really don't. Okay, chemical plant and fertilizer. We're in yet another battle. My flippin' goodness gracious me. That's kind of crazy. Okay, let's cut, again, cut dramatically down on the number of trucks that we have working there. That's going to make a good bit of difference. Location explored, what do we get? 19 pops. That's what we're all about. Good stuff. That might be all that we can explore without doing these two fights, which we can do, and we will do. But we're not going to be able to do for a little while. Right, construction parts are slowly but surely being moved across there. That's fine. And now we, yet again, don't have enough maintenance. Oh my giddy aunt. Okay, you know what? Just do this. I was thinking that we could get away with it. But no. Recyclables will live to die another day. Okay, now we need a steel route. Now we need a steel route. And I'm going to need to get yet another bridge. Somewhere over here. Thereabouts. We'll start the process of building that right now. So. I'm going to need to get a another storage bin over here. What's the ratio? Hold on. What's the ratio that we've got here? 6 times 4. What's that? 6 times 4 is 24. Build 24 of these every minute. Okay. So we can basically handle another 4 of these. I don't think that we're going to be in a position where we can actually realistically produce at that level for very long. But it's a good ambition. Okay, no lab available to do salt production. That's because we are out of research tech. Let's do the remaining like 3 techs here, and then in the meantime we'll work on getting this upgraded to the next level of lab. We're gonna need a lot of steel in order to do all this sort of stuff anyway. Let's also, whilst I'm at it, let's get half of the steel output just like stuck into another bin. Just allows me to keep on top of things. Right. Sure, I've made prettier belts in my time, but not necessarily that bothered. Alright, keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. It's looking okay. We'll slowly but surely start to build some of these crazy, crazy projects that we're trying to build. I kind of want to build this, you know, I really do. I don't know if it's going to make a lick of difference, but let's do it. You know what? Let's freaking do it. We can just about pull it off right now. So why not give it a shot? All right. Current research is too advanced for a lab. Oh, yeah, that's because I didn't queue it up properly. Hold on. Cancel. There we go. And then start research on that. Start research, start research. Yeah, we basically need construction component level 3s before we're able to start on any of this. There's pretty much no other way around it. At least we're good for food. At least we haven't really needed any food, actually, in, like, ages. We got loads of breads. I suppose, I mean... Can't really go wrong, can you? Can't really go wrong with bread and carbohydrates and... all that nonsense. Where are you going? Ah. I'll fix that. Go. There we go. Now with 100% more access. Beautiful. Right. That we could build that right now if we wanted to. Okay, next test. This, keep full, priority number 1. Right, so. Let's stop truck import. And let's stop truck import as well. Okay. So we'll see if this actually makes a difference. I'm really not convinced that it will. It's also going to take about 1 billion years for it to actually filter through. But there we are. Okay, good. No jobs. Oh, no, hold on. Turn off export. Turn off export, turn off export. Turn off export as well. There we go. That should never be the case. Right, so slowly but surely, it's going to make its way along this ridiculous twisting and awful, truly awful journey. We're going to have to just wait until it gets to, like, the end here, and then we'll be able to see if it actually works. I wonder what the flow rate is. What is the flow rate? Throughput is 60. I mean, if it's 60, then it should be able to supply both the 24 and the 24. Should be able to supply like 2, almost 3, maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens when it gets there. But anyway, that's fine. Okay. 51 workers are still needed. Is the boat repaired? Not enough fuel? Fine. Go do battle. That's fine for now. We still need more workers. I still have a little bit of unity. Let's adopt. Let's adopt again. Takes us down to 32 workers needed. We're close. We're close. Also, I think I'm going to ditch this waste collection facility. No reason to keep it around. Yeah, we absolutely have no jobs, do we? That's wild. That really is wild. Come on. Get here. Go. Let's also Let's also build a brand new iron area. I know that I said I didn't want to build a brand new iron area, but I really do want to build a brand new iron area. It's kind of important. Okay. Ship is in battle. Excellent. Yeah, so this might work. A sulfur mine. Oh, cool. This might work, but I feel like it's probably not going to work with the... Probably not going to work at its current rates. So we could really do with getting this upgraded, is what you're telling me, video game. Because I think we probably could do with getting this upgraded. So let's start working our steel area. Come out of planning mode. Let's get, here we go. Beautiful. Nice, and... Nice, okay. Let's see if this actually will work. Blast furnace has no recipe selected. We are, of course, going to select iron. Be good if we could use, some of these recycling materials, but alas, that's a bit of a ways away by the looks of it. This is working. I mean, it's not perfect. It needs to be... Speed needs to be increased, but it's not far off. Unassigned mine control tower. Unassigned mine control tower. Yeah, I mean... What about... Next stage of the puzzle. Let's do this for steel. Let's run a second parallel belt. Okay, good. In fact, we could even do it a split between... steel area and the brand new iron area. Sure. Okay, yeah, we've kind of run out of components, but that's fine. We still need 65 flipping workers. We got a decent amount of iron still sort of floating around. It's just being consumed mostly by this area. Right, let's do this. Yeah, I'd like to build a few. A few of these. A few of these construction component level 3s. Yeah, so get that done. That'll make everyone's life just a heck of a lot easier. Good for wood, literally just iron. Literally just iron here. Wow. We need so many components. So many components. Good, and slag will connect up over here. Good, and then we need molten channels, which I probably should have done first, but it's okay. Nice. Yeah, a lot of stuff has gone on this episode. In fact, it's been very, very productive, but we have been blighted by a few, I wouldn't say even problems, a few delays. We're doing so much at the same time. Doing so much at the same time that it's causing... Here we go. That it's causing some problems. Go, priority 1. Cool. That's much better. So now we've just got a little buffer here. Don't do truck export. Don't do truck export. Just truck import. Hopefully that'll make a difference. Now we need more coal, and I tell you what, it'd be good if we could dedicate more trucks to this coal mining area. Perhaps from the iron area. In fact, we'll probably just do some more trucks now. Yeah, take it down to like 18. And let's also see if we can maybe hone in our mining operation a little bit. Sure. Right, give that a punt. Location explored, 16 pops, nice. Not enough fuel, not enough fuel. 16 population, we're getting there. Getting back to where we need to be. Oh boy. This is just messy. This is just messy. Horrifically messy. We're building so much flipping stuff at the same time. And we just need these construction component level 2s to be built. But the good news is, maintenance-wise, we're doing not too badly. Let's maybe try and pause some of these things. Pause all of that. Yeah, let the game build the rest of it out. Maybe there's a way that I can sort of add additional... Tell you what, yeah, if we pause that conveyor temporarily, that's going to devote all of our level 1 construction components to go and make level 2 construction components, which would be huge. Now, you don't need to be repaired. You're actually already refueled. Send you out again. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, we haven't really had a maintenance crisis this episode, which is nice. We're actually very, very good for maintenance, and we've ended up with about 1 billion tons of recyclables here, which are completely useless until I can get a, whatever it is, massive 400 unit building, which will be not long, but a wee bit of time away. And the other thing is that we haven't really had a fuel crisis either, although we do need more workers to go and work on our oil rig. Because without that, we'll be in trouble. Yeah, okay. Come on. We need 86 level 2 construction components to get that done. We need to get construction components for all this area here. This needs to get upgraded, but we need level 3 construction components for that as well. I tell you what, we probably don't need that many unassigned mine control tower, and we'll actually assign you over here, I think. There we go. Yeah, so might be a little bit daft, might look a little bit stupid, but it seems to be good. Seems to be allowing me a lot more freedom to move my trucks around much more normally, which is really rather nice. Right, location explored. What do we get? 17 pops. Radar system 2. Very, very cool. Right, not sure I'm actually going to be able to explore many more locations, but we can bring it back. Man, where are all my construction component level 2s going? They're disappearing into something. I don't know where they're disappearing. Probably like this process over here, right? I'm not going to put that on keep full. Not yet, anyway. Oh, there we go. There's another 12 down the drain. I say down the drain. Not necessarily down the drain, because we do actually want them to be going over here. Right, can I maybe get even on the workers? Be nice if I was able to get just a few more workers in order to get us all evened up. One more batch really should be enough. Right. There we go. Boom. We got 16 workers there. That's cracking. Let's get that repaired, and then we'll get out. Wow, we're up to a population of 1,100. That is crazy. That is something that has changed considerably since the alpha. It really, really has. It is very, very different. We're able to maintain a much, much larger population now. Okay, we're out of level 2 research lab options. There's still so much to go. My goodness gracious me, that's crazy. Okay, we're still struggling with the old construction component level 2s, but again, that's really, it's just iron. Like, we're struggling with iron. That is it. That is it. And we know our roadmap, right? It's a very simple setup. We know how we fix things. We get level 3 construction components. Thankfully, we haven't wasted any of our steel potential, so that's good. We get level 3 construction components. We boost this belt. We boost this U-shaped conveyor. We boost this other belt, which we are slowly but surely in the process of building. Will be built soon. We need 2 additional workers. Let's grab 3 population from there. What do you know? We've got enough workers now for the first time in what feels like forever. Let's unassign mine control tower. No need to overdo it. Unassign you mine control tower as well. And we'll get... There we go. That's good. Can I... Hold on. Can I get you to prioritize coal? And then can I... I can't copy the... Okay, I can't copy the excavator's orders. Mining priority coal, mining priority coal. Yeah, okay, that's good. I think everyone's got the memo now. Good stuff. Okay. Well, that doesn't particularly matter. Anyway, the point that I'm trying to make is that we know the roadmap. We know where we're going. All we need really is time and construction component level 2s. And we need iron. We need a heck of a lot of iron. Because for some reason, we're just not getting much of the stuff at the moment. A damaged cargo ship. Hurrah! I was just saying, well, like 20 minutes ago, how we needed more damaged cargo ships. Ideally, they wouldn't be damaged, but we can fix them up. No problem at all. Right, ladies and gents, thank you as ever for watching this episode of Captain of Industry. My name, of course, has been Open Potato. Check out the Patreon if you're interested in helping make videos like this possible. Thank you ever so much for watching, folks. I'll see you next time. Bye.